Newly constructed entirely of stone, this magnificent Beaux-arts style mansion offers 16,500 plus square feet of living spaces, infused with high-tech features and modern amenities. Sited on nearly 2 acres at the end of a quiet lane in one of Washington, D.C.'s most coveted suburbs, this estate promises the utmost in peaceful seclusion, yet with convenient access to the nation's capital. Strategically placed landscape lighting illuminates the double-gated entry, circular drive, sparkling fountain, and the column-framed stone portico, setting an impressive stage for the elegance within. The grand foyer reveals marble flooring and staircase, and trims embellished with 24-karat gold leaf accents. Formal living and dining rooms are complemented by a vast stone terrace across the rear of the home, with fully equipped outdoor kitchen. The gourmet kitchen is sheathed in Italian cabinetry and marble countertops, and features 2 center islands, Sub-Zero, and meal appliances. The kitchen adjoins a sunny breakfast salon and 2-story family room with heated marble floors, both with walls of glass that open to the rear terrace. The home's main level also includes one of 2 owner suites, a 2-story library office, and a catering/spice kitchen. In addition to the second owner's suite, the upper level boasts 3 additional bedroom suites, each with sitting room, wet bar, television, full bath, and walk-in closet. The lower club level features a large wet bar and wine room, 2 spacious lounges with fireplaces, and a separate home theater with 13 electronic leather recliners and projection media system, and a 12-plus car garage in addition to the 3-car garage on the main level, perfect for an automobile collection. The premier feature of this fully walkout lower level is its separately enclosed sauna, 2 full baths, and heated floors. Backing to towering trees, this estate offers the complete package: privacy, convenience, security, beauty, and comfort.